Now your turn. Which flavor are you making?
Since I gave you one.
Look at hers. We forgot to take the finished product. Oh wow, Z. Oh my goodness. She already finished it.
Wait, not too big.
Wash your mouth.
Might have to take chunks off.
Hurry up, B. The oven's waiting for you.
Okay. This is good.
Is it?
I just want to eat this chocolate.
No.
Don't touch it.
Z.
I said don't touch it, Aspen. I
Bought you some. I bought you a treat.
Yay! It's Kit Kat.
The white chocolate.
Yummy.
Hurry up, Bubs.
Daddy, you're the best.
What?
Daddy ever.
Are you sure?
You bought us Kit Kat, aloe juice. Look, aloe juice too. Aloe juice and some Pepsi for whoever is sick. Sprite. You're the best dad ever. I love you. Except mommy.
No.
Baby God, she takes care of you.
I don't think they asked for that much flour.
I don't care.
Hurry. Just make that a whole.
No. Okay, this is gonna be the whole.
Okay, go wash your hands and we'll throw that in the oven.
I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
12.
9, 10, 11, 12. I made 12 of them. 2 is 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2, and 2. Autumn! She equaled 2.
Yes. Total of 12, baby.
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ready? Let's throw it in the oven. Okay. Z, where's the, can you get it? It has to go in this way, yeah? Just place it in there first. Right there, and then wait. Yeah. You can push it in more. Hurry, Z.
Yo, no.
You gotta push it in
Which
that way.
This one?
Yeah, you gotta push it in slowly. It can't come out this side. Slowly.
No, right.
Is the door closed?
Now.
Okay. Now check your timer. So
10,
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Oh no, not 11 o'clock because it's not 20 minutes. It's only 9 minutes.